Hello everybody, Ms Harriete here. I hope you are all fantastic today. This is a video for those of you who would like to do the activity that we did today in the Zoom class again, or for those of you that were not in the Zoom class, so you didn't see what we did. We did something called milking a cow. Now obviously this is something we would love to do in real life and go to a farm and actually practice milking a cow. However, we can't do that right now, so this is a great alternative to that. So what you will need to milk a cow is a rubber glove. So these are going to be like udders. These are our udders. Let me show you this picture here of a cow. Can you see these? So this is where the milk is in a cow, and these are called udders. So our rubber gloves are our udders. And then we're going to use a little bit of paint for milk. So we're going to mix a little bit of paint with water in a glass. And then lastly we're going to prick the latex gloves with a pen if you have it. I've just lost my pen, so I'm going to use a pen. Okay, so what we will do first of all is mix the paint and the water together. So a little bit of paint, just about that much is fine, and then let's fill it up with water. And there we have a glass of what looks like milk, but it's actually water mixed with paint. So then I'm going to move this down so you can see. So then let's fill up our latex glove with this solution. And then we're going to tie it up tightly with an elastic band. Okay, and the last thing we do is we're going to we're just going to prick a hole. We're going to put a little tiny hole in two of the udders. Actually, I'm just going to do one because this is coming out at a funny angle now. So there we have our hole. We have a bowl to catch it with. Hopefully you can see this. And then we're just going to milk the cow now. We're just going to squeeze the glove just like I'm doing, and then we keep pushing it down and down and down, just like that. So we can do that again. We can just push it and squeeze. And this is what it would feel like if we were to milk a cow. So can you imagine? It feels quite cold and rubbery, doesn't it? So let's try that a couple more times. I think this udder's empty now. It's still got some coming out, yep, so you just keep squeezing like that. So in that kind of motion, so you just go like this. Keep going until it's all emptied out. So I've got a little bit left. So it's really fun and a little bit messy, isn't it? It's a little bit messy. I've got milky water going everywhere. But now we can imagine what it would be like to milk a real cow. because it's good to think about where these things come from, because we use milk every day in our milkshakes and in our cereal. So it's good to think about the process. So first of all, the farmer milks the cow, choo, 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 and then they clean the milk with a special type of liquid which cleans it, and then they send it to shops where we buy it and put it on our cereal or drink it in a drink. And that's where it comes from. How interesting is that? I hope you enjoyed today's task, and I will see you all again soon. Bye!